Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making steamed pompano fish, guys. But before I cook, if somebody new in my channel, please don't forget to support my channel and subscribe me, guys. Okay, thank you so much. This is pompano fish. This is around 3 pounds and I wash it already. I clean it inside too. And I can to use 10 pieces of green onions, 5 cm ginger. I can to carry the ginger little pieces first. Carry the ginger small pieces like that, guys. And I can to put the ginger on top of the fish. I can to put it all over, and I can to put it inside too. I put some ginger inside the fish. And I can do steam it. And steam it for 15 minutes, guys. While I waiting for the fish, I can to carry the green onions little pieces first. For the green onions, I carry little pieces like that, guys. Okay, now I'm going to making for the sauce, guys, and I using this white pepper. I'm going to add half teaspoon white pepper, and I using this sesame oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon sesame oil and half teaspoon sugar. And for the soy sauce, I'm going to use this type of soy sauce, guys. This soy sauce is for steaming fish. You can use different sauce, it's okay, but it tastes different. And this soy sauce is not too salty, guys. Tastes really good. And I'm going to add 7 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix it a little bit. And the fish is cooked already. I'm going to take it out right now. And for the green onions, I'm going to divide into. I'm going to put a little bit oil. And I'm going to stir fry for the green onion first. And now put all the soy sauce in and wait until boil first. And when the soy sauce already boil, guys, put the soy sauce on the top of the fish. Going to put all of them. And now I'm going to put green onion on top. Going to put it all over. And now put some oil and wait until the oil getting really hot first, guys. And when the oil already getting hot, then put the oil on top of the fish. The fish is cooked perfectly, guys. Inside is cooked perfectly. I always going to eat with the rice, guys. Tastes really good. The fish is cooked perfectly, guys. It's so delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much, guys, for your sub. I really appreciate that. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. Love you, guys. Bye.